I'm Lucy and welcome back to a brand new video. If you are new here, thank you so much for clicking on a video of mine. It would mean so much to me if you could subscribe down below. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching another video of mine. It means so much to me. Yeah. Today, if you can't already guess from the title, I'm going to be reviewing the GHD Platinum Plus hair straighteners, which I have here. And oh my god, these are literally insane and you're not going to be disappointed. I'm having a really bad hair day, so I think we may as well just get straight on into it so I can sort my hair out. So this kit is actually the Christmas bundle for the Platinum Plus. Typical GHDs don't tend to come with a case, whereas this one comes with a case that kind of clips up here and you can open, that's magnetic. It is heat resistant, so you can put your hair straighteners back into it or on top of it when you are straightening your hair, so you're not going to burn the surfaces and everything, which I think is absolutely ideal because honestly the amount of things that I've burnt from straightening my hair is actually ridiculous. I'm pretty sure my sister's got quite a few melted parts in her carpet from old hair straighteners, so it's great that the Christmas bundle comes with that. Before we get to the straighteners, it actually comes with this hairbrush as well, which is absolutely ideal because you always need a hairbrush when you are straightening your hair because it always makes it look a lot more sleek and your hair kind of just looks so much better if you use a hairbrush, and it's an ideal size, so I absolutely love this. And then to the best part, we actually have the hair straighteners, which I know come in a lot of different colours, but in this bundle it actually comes in black, which I don't think you can really go wrong with black. We've kind of got a bit of hair, so I'll just get rid of them. It has like this little silicone bit at the end of it, again to kind of protect it with the heat and everything once you've used it. And then we've got these straighteners here, and if you don't want to straighten your hair because your hair is naturally straight, these straighteners are so good to curl your hair with. I'll call my sister through it in a bit and you can see what her hair looks like curled, and I think I might put my hair extensions in to curl the ends of them so you can kind of see the comparison on what that looks like as well. And these hair straighteners only have one heat setting, which is actually 185, which I don't think is too bad. And you can also get these engraved on the website, but these aren't actually engraved, so if you're thinking of getting them for someone for Christmas or their birthday, just bear in mind that you can get them engraved as well, which I think is a nice touch. And obviously I thought I'd do this review before Christmas so you guys can kind of see these. I know these are my sister's, but I'm getting a pair for Christmas because I love it so much. So we may as well just kind of get into it, and I will warm these up and straighten my hair. So I have literally just plugged these in. Luckily the cable's long enough so that it's literally the other side of the room. The cable is pretty long, so that's also decent. So I'm just going to turn them on. They make such a cool sound when you turn them on. It reminds me of Mario Kart. But I'll take my hair down and show you the actual state of it because it is actually horrendous, and then we'll get into the straightening of my hair. So this is the mop that we're kind of dealing with today. My hair is naturally curly, that's why it's super frizzy, because it has been raining and then my hair went a little bit curly and then I brushed it. So I'm surprised I'm even on YouTube with my hair like this. It's just a curly, frizzy mess. I have put a heat protectant on it, and that was the Bold Unique spray, and I've also put Olaplex hair oil on it, which is also heat defense. So we're good on that point, but I'm just gonna tie my hair up into sections and then we can straighten bit by bit. I apologise if I keep looking off to this side because I am actually using the viewfinder to straighten my hair with today rather than a mirror, so I can obviously do this a lot better when I actually look in a mirror, but the viewfinder will have to do for today. So I'm just going to start off by brushing the section just to get any excess knots out or anything. Picking up my hair straighteners, you kind of just start from the top and work your way down. Honestly, these just glide perfectly through your hair and it doesn't feel like it's pulling your hair out in the process. So you can see it's already kind of so much sleeker, and my natural hair is really thin, so that's why I'm going to put hair extensions in afterwards, just so then you can kind of see me curl the ends, because these kind of have a curved edge to them. Like if I just show you them up a little bit closer, they are literally so good for curling hair as well. So it's like a 2-in-1. So I'm just going to carry on working through my hair by taking down the next section with the clip, brushing it through and then straightening it. I think you guys would probably get bored just watching me straighten all of my hair. My top tips are just to do it by sections and then just work your way down, and it literally just makes it so sleek and it just glides through your hair and it makes it so soft. Like that has literally taken me seconds, and it's so sleek on this side, yet this side I've really not touched, and it's really frizzy. So you can see it really dies down the frizz if you are kind of prone to frizzier hair. And these hair straighteners are hands down the best hair straighteners I have ever used, and I don't think anyone will be disappointed with them. So I'm now back. It is literally only probably about 2 minutes if that from the previous clips. Like it takes me not long at all to get my hair super sleek and straight. Like you could easily do this first thing in the morning. Obviously you can see my hair is very damaged at the minute, but obviously because my hair is damaged, I'm going to put these hair extensions in and then blend them for you guys by curling them using the hair straighteners, just so you can see that rather than adding even more damage to my hair. And then like I said earlier, I'll call my sister through to show you guys what her hair looks like, all nice and curled. But I just wanted to show you what my hair naturally kind of looks like fully straight. Obviously there's not really much of it, but I do absolutely love how sleek you can kind of get it and everything. As you can see, I've just chucked a load of hair in my hair. It's not blending too good, so that's why we've got these to kind of sort it out a little bit. I did actually get caught in the rain when I was wearing these as well, and my natural hair went super curly, and then I just literally looked like a drowned rat, and I looked absolutely horrendous. If you just wanted like a funny story, I think I should literally start off by kind of framing it around my face and show you guys how to actually curl the hair. So you want to glide it down your hair and then kind of just twist, and it's literally as simple as that. Just kind of creates a curl there, and then again this one, pull it away from your face and it just kind of curves that back a bit rather than as it was like underneath before. Like here it kind of just frames the face a little bit and just kind of makes your hair like a little bit more body rather than lank and whatnot. It is loads easier to do when you actually have a mirror. So if you think it looks awful, I can do a better job when I've actually got a mirror. So that is it. I have now curled my hair and I absolutely love it. So if I do a kind of like a close-up and actually hold the straightener so that I don't burn my leg, this is what the curls have kind of turned out like, and I absolutely love them. They're super bouncy and just work so well. I think I need to jump off camera though and kind of sort it out and blend it a little bit better, because I do struggle without a mirror like I said earlier. And then I will also shout my sister through so that you can see the curls on her natural hair. So I just grabbed Bex, and just to show you her hair, this is what I did this morning before work. So it's fallen out a bit, not as good as this morning, but honestly, I still think it looks really good. I love these hair straighteners. They're so good. My hair feels so much healthier with them as well. I don't know what you've spoken about. And so much thicker. Like, you're probably better off at curling your hair than I am at curling, because I don't curl my hair too often with straighteners, but I still love it. I think I curled this side a lot better than this side, but it is all trial and error. Obviously you can see how nice it looks on shorter hair as well and natural hair. But yeah, I absolutely love these straighteners. I love them as well. So that is it for this video. I hope it was informative and you liked this video. I know I'm literally not the best at hair, but I just needed to show you these hair straighteners because I absolutely love them. If I've missed any information out that you want to know about the hair straighteners, just comment them down below and I will get back to you. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time for another video.